Today is a super exciting day. For today, I will be taking care of my sweet potatoes in this bucket and that bucket. We're gonna get our hands dirty and get these sweet potatoes out of their buckets. So to know when your sweet potatoes are ready, you will start seeing your foliage turn yellow. Mine has turned yellow a little bit too soon because it's been in the 40s here in Zone 6, New York. So I will start taking them out today. I have 2 pots, as you saw, but I'm gonna start with the little one here. It's kind of windy as well right now. Oh my God, I wonder if my, did you guys not see it coming? Qué atrevido! That hawk just tried to snatch one of my chickens. You guys okay? Did you hear that, right? You saw him? He's bad. I started these sweet potatoes from slips. I started them a little bit too late. I actually took a sweet potato and I put it in soil. And I took that potato and just put it right into the pot. Let's see how we did. The reason I grow my sweet potatoes in pots is because I have wireworm problems in my soil in my my gardening bed, so I have to do it in here. So that's the reason. Something different that I did this year was I covered everything with straw. Here we go. Sweet. Hey, you know what? Wow. My sweet potatoes. Let's go to the next one. Okay, everybody, check it out. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get the this hay off of here. Hay, straw, hay, straw, whatever. I think I'll just dump it into the old pot. Let me get it set up. I'll be right back. So this is how I'm gonna have to do it. This bucket is super, super heavy. All right, so, all right, here we go. Number 1. Oh. You go, guys. Oh my God. Okay. Alrighty. Let's not get too excited. Let's just. Oh my God. This is super thin. Don't fall. All right. Look at this. Okay. They're all like linked together. Okay, I'm gonna keep digging. Wow. Look at this guy. Just didn't know which way to go, left or right, and it's a double whammy. Put it there. Here we are, everyone. This is my sweet potato harvest. I always forget the names of the ones that I plant in here, but I believe this is the potato that I used as my seed. This is the one that I put in the soil, and it grew, if you can tell here, it grew some slips from this edge here. So when I planted it against the, actually I did it in this bucket here. When I planted this one, when it had the growth here, the slips, I didn't have enough time to rip the slips off and put them in water so they can root for me. So I took the whole potato, I put it in the pot, and I put it against the pot itself so that way the slips were in the center. Okay, everyone, so that was my sweet potato harvest. They will probably be sitting here till mid-November. Use them for sweet potato pies. My husband makes some really good sweet potato pies. So they'll be sitting around for a little bit. So let those starches, you know, those sugars just develop and just get sweet on us. I will be posting as much as I can now that the season is almost over. There's not really much we can do in the winter, just get everything prepared for the next season. I have a lot of stuff that I need to get done in this garden. I have a couple of little projects that I still have to do in the garden. But yeah, just getting ready for this winter. It sucks. It's a short season for us here in Zone 6. But we try to do the best we can with it. So guys, if you like this video, you want to see more in the coming future, just don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. And until the next one, let's keep growing. Bye.